Today we're doing some more patchwork and we're making block number 5 of the Liberty wall sampler. Starting off with block number 5, we have 8 individual pieces. We have 4 that are white. I'm using an off-white color on my quilt. 4 white and 4 red. We're going to alternate them one after the other. And this might be possibly the easiest block we are doing for this quilt. We're going to be doing simple chain piecing. We're going to be stitching all of the seams in between each of these pieces with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. I am bringing all of these pieces over to the sewing machine. I'm going to sew them together with you, and once they're all together, then I'm going to press everything. I have my stack of pieces alternating white and red, and we're just going to chain piece all of them together. Remember to set your machine with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. We're working with thinner strips today, so try to go nice and slow and as straight as possible. You can even build yourself a little ledge with some painter's tape or some washi tape if that would help you stay nice and straight as you sew one edge to the other. So at this point we have 4 sections. We're going to join these 4 sections. With 2 seams. That brings us down to 2 sections. And we just have 1 more seam to join these 8 pieces together. She's a little springy, see that? We're going to bring it over to the pressing mat. Being careful not to stretch these pieces too much. You can press your seams to one side or you can press them open like I'm doing here. Remember to lift your iron and not scoot your iron across your seams. That'll help avoid stretching this piece out and making it a little wonky. I'll flip it over and press one more time from the front. Might even add a little bit of steam in there. And this block is all finished. That's it. So when finished, this block should measure 4.5 inches wide and 8.5 inches long. See, I told you this was an easy one. I can't wait to see you tomorrow for block number 6. Keep me updated on your progress. Bye, everybody.